What is the purpose of the dockerignore file? The dockerignore file serves to exclude specific files and directories from being copied into the Docker image during the build process. It works similarly to a gitignore file in Git, helping optimize the Docker build by avoiding unnecessary files. Key purposes of the dockerignore file. 1. Reduce image size. Excluding unwanted files like documentation, logs, or local environment files helps reduce the size of the final Docker image, making it more lightweight and efficient. 2. Improve build performance. By ignoring unnecessary files, Docker transfers fewer files to the build context, speeding up the build process. 3. Enhance security. Sensitive files like env, API keys, or SSH credentials can be excluded to prevent them from being bundled into the image and potentially exposed in production. 4. Prevent unwanted behavior. Excluding temporary or config files that aren't needed in the container prevents potential conflicts or unexpected behavior inside the container. 5. Simplify deployment. A cleaner build context ensures that only the necessary application code and dependencies are packaged, making deployments more predictable and reliable. Common files to exclude in dockerignore. Log files. Starred log. Node modules for Node.js projects. Node_modules. Environment files with sensitive data. .env. Version control directories like git, gitignore. Temporary or build files. __pycache __/ *tmp. Example of a dockerignore file. Ignore node modules and logs. Node_modules. And pmdebug log. Ignore environment files. .env. Ignore Git repository and Docker file itself. Gitignore. Docker file. Ignore temporary files. *tmp. *swp. How it works. 1. Build context. When you run Docker build, Docker sends the build context, all files in your directory, to the Docker daemon. The dockerignore file filters out specified files from this context. 2. Efficiency. This reduces the number of files Docker has to process, making builds faster and resulting images smaller. Conclusion. The dockerignore file is essential for optimizing Docker builds by excluding unnecessary files, improving performance, reducing image size, and enhancing security. It's a simple yet powerful tool for maintaining efficient and secure Docker workflows. For more such videos, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like it.